Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a granny stitch hat. So let's get started. To work with Red Heart Super Saver yarn and a 5.5mm crochet hook. I'm going to do the demo in newborn size. And I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2, and there's the ring. I'm going to make 11 double crochet in the ring. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the ring, pick up the yarn, pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'm going to make 11 double crochet. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. And I'm going to slip stitch in the top of the double crochet. So there's the first double crochet. I'm going to slip stitch into the top of the double crochet. I'm going to chain 2 and turn. And I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch around. At the end of the row, I'll have 22 stitches. So 2 in every stitch. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have 22 stitches. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. So now I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2, 1, so that I have 33 stitches around. So 2, and 1, 2, and 1. So repeat all the way around, making 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, I worked all the way around. I have 33 double crochet. I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of the first double crochet. And there's how that looks. Now I'm going to work the first row of shell stitch. So I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2, and in that same stitch I'm going to make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to skip 2 stitches, and in the third stitch I'm going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to do that all the way around. I'm going to skip 2, and I'm going to make 3. Skip 2, 3 double crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, making 3 double crochet in every third stitch, and now I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that chain 2. On this row, the chain 2 does take the place of the first double crochet, and now every row is going to be the same. I'm going to turn my work, slip stitch into this first space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet in that same space, 1 and 2. Now I'm going to go right over to the next space between these 3 double crochets, and I'm going to make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Next space, 1, 2, and 3. So work all the way around, making 3 double crochet in each one of these spaces. Okay, I worked all the way around. I'm going to find that first chain 2 and slip stitch to join. Turn my work, slip stitch into that same space, chain 2, 1, 2, 2 more double crochet in that space, make 3 double crochet in each space all the way around. So I'm going to go off camera and do as many rows as I need until I need to make the bottom band. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 4 rows. I'm working newborn size, and I have slip stitch to join, and I'm going to make the bottom band, and the bottom band is 2 rows of half double crochet. So I'm going to chain 2, and I'm going to make half double crochet in each stitch around. To make a half double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn. You'll have 3 loops on the hook, pick up the yarn, pull it through all 3. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make 1 half double crochet in each stitch all the way around, and I'll still have 33 stitches across the row. I'll go off camera and do that, and I'll come and show you how to slip stitch to join. Okay, I worked all the way around, making my half double crochet at the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. I'm going to make 1 more row of half double crochet. I'm going to chain 2 and turn. So half double crochet in each stitch all the way around, and then I'll fasten off. Okay, I worked all the way around. I'm going to slip stitch to join, and then I can fasten off and weave all my yarn ends into the finished work. There you go. There are 2 different sizes of the granny stitch hat. And if you go to my blog, you're going to find this pattern on the blog. This will include a code there where you can go to my Ravelry store and download the PDF for free. And I will put the link below for the video on how to make these faux fur pom-poms, and also a video on how to make a regular pom-pom. You can attach that to the top of the hat. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.